Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our class. Today, your teacher is going to guide you through the lesson. You know what we are learning today? Of course, you can guess that because yesterday we just learned with the letter R, right? So let me review some words for the letter R. First one, the R is for reading. So you can say letter R or letter R. As American, it says R. So R is for reading. And R is for rhino. You know, rhinoceros. This is an animal that is like a pig, but much bigger than a pig. And it has something on its snout here. It's just like the fang, right? So this is so powerful and big and strong. So we have rhino, rhino. And the R is for rabbits. Can you say rabbits? How many rabbits are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we found 3 rabbits. Good. And the R is for what are they doing here? You see the ball is rolling around. Yeah, for rolling. You see the balls are rolling. It rolls over and all over here, all over the letter R. So for rolling, you roll the ball. And for rocket. So R is for rockets. The rockets can go over the continent from one country to another country. The rockets can go to the space too, right? Okay, so rockets can go very fast. They fly very fast, much faster than the plane. All right. Do you have a rocket toy at home? I think some boys do have it, but not girls. Some girls do like it, but most boys like it, right? And the letter R is for rain. It is raining now, you see? It is raining, and yesterday it rained too. I think all over Phnom Penh it was raining and stormy too. So is for raining. What do you need if you walk through the rain? You are correct. If you walk through the rain, you can have an umbrella with you, or you have a raincoat, right? You have a raincoat or an umbrella. But if it rains and has strong winds, umbrella cannot help. It is dangerous to hold an umbrella when it is on because the winds can move it away and it can move you too. So be careful if you walk in the rain with speedy wind. Now, let's find another R. For what flower is this? It's beautiful and shining. You see, it's so shining. So this is called a red rose. This is a red rose. So the rose is shiny. Good. So let's review. R is for rhino. Let me review all over again. Okay. R is for reading. The R is for rhino. R is for rabbit. R is for rolling. And R is for rocket. And R is for rain. And the last one is for rose. You have more words for the letter R. Good. So you can learn more words from the videos. So let's see what we are doing today. It's a capital and lowercase r. Is this a capital R? Yes. How about this one? Oh, I know. This is the lowercase r. So this is how we write the capital R. First, we trace down and then go to right and coming back here and one more down here. And this one we have 1 and 2. Let's learn how to trace the letter R with me. Okay, R is for rose. Can you trace the rose? Okay, for rose. Can you trace the letter R with me? Let's start. First, we have to trace down. Trace it down like this. And then Go to the right. Okay. And trace it down this way. Good. Can you do that? You can. One more time. Trace down. Trace to the right. And then trace it this side. Good. Let's learn to write with me on the whiteboard. Okay, so I have here for the whiteboard. Can you trace the letter R with me? Okay, first I would like to write with a small one first. Okay, let's start. 1 down, 2, and 3. Ah, good. Can we try again? Ah, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Good. Can we trace on it? Yeah. Let's change the color to trace on it. Let me take the green one. Is for red. Let me take the red one. Okay. Down 1, 2, and 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. One more time. 1, trace down. 2, and 3. Good. Okay, you can trace like that. Good. You can do it, right? Okay. Okay. So you can now write the letter R by yourself. Yep. Good. So let me continue then. After the capital R, it must be the lowercase r. I see. R for rabbit. Let's learn how to trace the lowercase r words rabbit. Let's start with me. First, you trace down. Okay. After you trace down, you trace to the right. Again, first, you trace down. Then, you trace to the right. Good job. One more time, the last one. Trace down. Then you trace to the right. Okay, good job. Done. Let's learn to write the letter R, the lowercase r with me. Okay, let me clean all of this one. Clear it up. Okay. First, let me write with a small one. Capital R, again, capital R, like this. How about lowercase r? Oh, it's half of the capital R. 1. Then 2. One more time. Capital R, trace down. Go to the right like this. Like this. Okay, and then lowercase r. 1, 2. Okay, can we trace? Sure. Let's trace with a different color. Trace with a capital R first. Capital R, trace down. And then to the right. Okay, lowercase r. 1, 2. Good. Trace the capital R. 1, 2, and 3. Good. Let's trace the lowercase r. 1, and 2. Done. You see, we have the capital R and lowercase r. Good. Let's finish. Okay. So you have traced the capital R and lowercase r now. Do you know it now? Okay, good. Okay, before we finish, let me review some words for the letter R. R is for rhino. R is for rabbit. R is for rolling. R is for rocket. R is for raining. And R is for rose. It's a red rose. Red rose. Good. So this word we should remember. So that's all for today, kids. Bye-bye.